In this tutorial we will see how to create a new project. First of all, you will need to access the website and, from the home page, log in to the inSun platform. Now you will have direct access to your personal area. To create a new project, click on the New button. At this point, the Google Map opens, and you can go and search for your area of interest by entering the address in the search bar. Once you have identified the building on which you want to build your system, click on it to place the flag. Try to center the map on the screen. It is also possible to search for the address with the coordinates, in case you do not have a precise address. It is important, before creating a new file, assign a name to the project. We will call it Tutorial 1. Here you can enter a reference which could be, for example, the customer's name. Then a description which, however, is an optional field. Once the header of our file is completed, we can create the project. At this point, the system has cut out a portion of the map, and loaded all the weather data relating to the location we have chosen. The main commands to move in this environment are the zoom, using the mouse wheel, and the pan command, by holding the wheel down. If, on the other hand, we go to activate, here at the bottom left, the 3D mode, we can always zoom, by moving the wheel, pan, by pressing the wheel and, in addition to the mouse commands, the rotation, that occurs by holding down the right button of the mouse. Working in a 3D environment, we can go to activate the horizon command, up here, and see the reliefs we have in the distance. These might be mountains or hills. In this case we are in a very flat area, but we can still see the Apennines in the distance. As you can see, the solar orbits are activated as well. At the bottom of the screen, we have the tools to move the sun along its orbits. We can go and analyze the movement of the sun, both throughout the day, and, by clicking the calendar, along the days of the year. Furthermore, by clicking on the relief icon, we can appreciate the cavities in the ground near our building. In this case it is very flat, but we may have even more important reliefs. Returning to the 2D mode, we can also go to choose maps from different sources. In this way, we can choose the most recent, and update it in our project. If we don't need a map, we have some other backgrounds available. Transparent, or a solid color texture. Other very important basic data are those relating to the position and the weather. Under the location icon we see the data of our position. The default weather source is Meteonorm, but we also have PVGIS Sarah and above all, Solcast. The data will be automatically updated. In addition, by clicking on the logo, you will have access to the specific web page and to all the necessary information.